for Holtonen. Holtonen time on the boards, but found Hemming back for Holtonen. Couldn't get a stick on it. Sandin Pellikka banks it in, but it's stolen by Holtonen. Flips it back to Kiviharju. Kiviharju back the other side. That shot by Rutiainen deflected away. Here's Holtonen. Back to Kiviharju. Rutiainen had a bounce off his stick. Willander to the line and just out. Back to the quarters against Slovakia.
Center. 2 goals in the game. Matejko, he'll stop. Matejko throws it in the slot area. Up high. Korbaka. They're working it deep. Still Bellberg's in his net. Hasn't moved yet. Back to the line. Korbaka. They'll curl around. Korbaka towards the net. Tipped and just wide. As Matejko was in front. Matejko below the goal line. Reaching for it. Played into the corner. Here comes Willander. Lupinov towards the net. Pass in front and a sprawling play and a good drive. Hey, everybody. There's Schneller. Trying to get that in deep. It hit the hand and stick of Hedquist, but it's still alive. Schneller. Deep, and that deflects off the side of the net. Oh, man. And a Pesky able to clean it up and start to play. Tokarczyk taken down hard at center ice. Dvorsky back to work, weaving in, and the shot hit the leg of Tom Willander. Tokarczyk in the corner. Dvorsky plays it up to the line. That shot deflected in front, puck loose. Dvorsky looking for it, comes back up top. That's right, and kicked aside. As Barczyk labeled that shot, and I think Tallinn got just enough with that left pad. Little toe save. That shot.
Flips it back to Kiviharju. Kiviharju back the other side. That shot by Rutiainen deflected away. Here's Holtonen. Back to Kiviharju. Rutiainen had a bounce off his stick. Willander to the line and just out.